It's Embarkation Day on the NCL Getaway. Is it a smooth start or a total headache? We're finding out so you don't have to. Today we're taking you through the boarding process, the good and the bad. Then we're shaking it off with lunch in the Taste Dining Room, a massive SailAway Party, and ending the night with rock and roll at Sid Norman's Poorhouse. Welcome aboard the Getaway. Let's see if this cruise lives up to the hype. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome and hello from Miami.
Beautiful Miami.
It is an 80-degree day today, and we're going to get on the Norwegian Getaway for a wonderful Christmas cruise. So come along with us.
We got to get to the port first, though. Let's get going. It never gets old seeing all the different ships at port. After a few minutes ride in our Uber, we arrived.
We made it.
A little bit of a chaotic scene here this morning at Terminal B at Port of Miami, but we had to ask a couple of people where the porters were and finally found out where we were supposed to drop our bags.
The chaos is that I don't know if they let off late, but there's still a lot of people from the previous cruise just waiting for cars and buses and all that kind of stuff. So that's the chaos, is you've got two groups of people coming in and out.
Yeah.
But our check-in time ends in 5 minutes, so
we got to get going.
We got to get going.
I don't know where we're supposed to go. Is this the line? Well, we've got an issue. At check-in, we find out that Chris's address and credit card were accidentally deleted when we won the bid on our balcony room. We were told we've got to go to guest services immediately once we get on board to fix this, because no one here has the proper equipment.
So far, I'm not overly feeling positive about this.
All right.
By far the most chaotic we've ever had.
All right, so that check-in process was a little crazy, but eventually they gave us this card. They said they're going to be calling us in boarding groups. We're boarding group 3, and then they gave us a map of the ship and some basic things for day 1.
So now we just wait.
So now we're just waiting for our group to be called.
To the right, take your room key, guys. Welcome. Happy holidays.
It is
It took a while. 11:30.
11:30.
We were supposed to board at 9:30. Well, that was when our check-in was.
Check-in time.
Check-in time, but apparently it took a while to get some of the people off the ship. And you and I were talking about that and said that we were concerned that that was really early. So I don't know. What are your guys' thoughts? Have you been on Norwegian before, and did they give you an early check-in time? And did you still have to wait a while to get on the ship? So drop a comment below and let us know.
So I have a question. So far, all the announcements have been, hey, thank you, Norwegians. Hello, Norwegians. I actually am Norwegian. Do I get extra credit?
You would think that would allow us to get on earlier. I don't know.
Priority boarding.
I don't know.
How about a free drink in the lounge if
Free
you're
drink?
actually Norwegian? These are my suggestions in the NCL.
I like the free drink idea. Yeah.
The best walkway ever. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, welcome on board.
Hello.
Card, please.
Yep.
Okay, just proceed in front. I'll scan the card here.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, we're right in the right spot, babe. Hello. Good morning.
Welcome aboard.
Well, that was pretty fast for a muster drill.
Thank you for the show.
Did you scan your cards already, right?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Guest services.
One take down.
Thank you.
Enjoy your cruise.
Well, I ended up waiting in line for 30 minutes, only to be told we have to come back in a couple of hours because their computers haven't switched over from the previous cruise. Come on.
Wow, look at this chandelier, Ann. This thing reminds me of the chandelier on World America. This is an interesting casino considering that it kind of wraps around the atrium here. Okay, I'm going to head on up to the pool deck and check things out up there. Looks like a decent sized pool, some nice sized hot tubs, and a few bars up here. So I have a little bit of time, so I think I'll try and check out the spa area. A lot of times you can get into the spas and look things over on the embarkation day before you set sail. This thermal spa looks really cool. And of course, they have your standard dry and steam saunas. And it looks like a variety of these thermal loungers and regular loungers that look out. They also have this really cool salt bath. And just texted me our rooms are ready, so let's go check that out now. Okay, welcome to 8772. We have a balcony room that we won on an upgrade bid. Here you can see a really large couch and a nightstand next to the bed. And then on the left side of the couch there, you'll find the closet, which we'll look at in just a second. Directly above the bed, you'll find this cubby area. And then on each side of the bed, you'll find these lights that have USB ports to charge all your items. Now the balcony is decent sized. It has your typical couple of chairs out here, along with an end table to set your coffee or drinks on. On the wall across from the bed, you'll find your TV, along with a couple of storage areas for clothes and other incidentals. Up on top of the desk, you'll find 2 standard American outlets, along with 2 European outlets. Underneath is where the refrigerator is located. And if you're wondering where the hairdryer is, it's located here, underneath, next to the garbage can and the footstool. The left side of the closet features a number of shelves, along with the safe. And the right side of the closet, you'll find a shelf along with your hangers. The bathroom is just your standard bathroom that you'll find on most cruise ships. There's some shelving up on the left side there. The one thing to note, though, is I thought that the way they placed the toilet, it was a little cramped compared to some that are more on an angle. And you do have a full shower with a shower door as well. Time to get some lunch, so we'll try the Taste Dining Room. Oh, there we go. Alrighty.
Not his salary, but
That looks good.
That looks very
our
good.
CEO and our COO.
We needed a break, so we stopped in and I got a Bahama Mama.
If he's saying that
So,
he's the COO,
looks really good.
say no. There's a conference in Savannah.
That hits the spot.
In,
Got ourselves some fish, it looks like.
Yeah, we ordered the fish and chips. And it says it's pollock with fries. So, and tartar sauce. But first, got to try the tartar sauce.
we're missing our
It's usually the best.
Where is it?
Same place. St. Paul Airport.
Ooh,
It's too close to Christmas.
good.
And the nice thing about sitting here versus the buffet is crazy right now. And this is a nice, quiet, sit-down style lunch. So the fish is really good. Wouldn't you say the fish is good?
Fish is very good. And Chris and I are a bit picky on our fish. So the fish is good. The coating is
That's where we have the
a battered. And the tartar sauce, like I said, is really good. It's a little more runny than we used to. We were kind of like the creamy, but the flavor is good. So that's okay. And the fries are nice. I'm kind of picky on my fries too.
But I mean, this thing
They're pretty
draws
good.
27.
And this Bahama Mama is going down really good right now.
Then I'm your Bahama Mama.
Not till we're in the Bahamas. You're my Miami Mama.
We're on our way though.
Miami Mama.
There you go.
But no, it's really good.
Look at that. Ain't that pretty?
What'd you get?
Mango. Oh, you're going to make me remember the name.
Mango something?
Something mango. It has rum, amaretto, and mango in it. So
Can't go wrong with that.
oh my gosh. That is good. That is amazing.
All right, knock it back. Let's get on.
You got dessert, it looks
I
like.
got dessert. It called it, okay, the title was orange chocolate mousse, but then it said it had devil's food cake in it and caramel.
So I am a little confused. But it looks really good regardless. It's chocolate. How bad can it be? So it is a chocolate caramel kind of mousse cream. And there's these little chocolate crispies in there. I don't know if you can see here. I'll scoop one out. Little chocolate crispies. So you bite into them. It kind of is the texture of a Rice Krispie. But they're chocolate.
That was a great lunch at, was it Taste?
Taste.
Taste.
That's the name of the place.
Yeah, great fish. If you come on board NCL's Getaway, or probably any NCL for that matter, try the fish fry. It's pollock, beer batter pollock. It was really good. But now it's getting close to the SailAway Party. So we are going to head up and check that out.
Now it's time to wobble and wobble and wobble.
Wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble.
Jump back.
Yeah, wobble, baby, wobble, baby, wobble.
To the right.
Yeah. So let's play.
We have someone in the store for you.
Like to party. Listen up, yeah, it's time to start it. And I know you got it. You with me, let's rock this party. All the girls on the side say, and all my fellas on the side say, tonight we're gonna fly high to the skies, 'cause we're gonna have a taste of the good life. Here we go, here we go, here we go up. We're gonna rock this club till it blows up. Yeah, we're gonna live a good life. Yeah, we're gonna do it all night. We're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life.
Okay, we are at O'Shea's. We're going to try and get some dinner in quick before the show. There's a line here.
But there were a lot of empty tables, so I'm hoping it moves quick.
Yeah,
So
because we only got about an hour before the show starts.
we'll give it a try. Look at Chris. It's carrot cake. And is happy. Yes.
That is a lot of food.
It's not that much.
Well, I got some chili con carne and not loaded nachos, chili con
Yep.
carne.
And I just got some pretzel balls. There's 4 of them. And then there's spinach and artichoke dip.
The loaded nachos, chili con carne is pretty good. There's not a ton of cheese on it, and the chili's good, but it's very spicy. So if you don't like hot food, maybe avoid that. But it's good. Okay, and then my cheeseburger just came, so got it doctored up a little bit. Give it a quick bite. Yeah, it's a pretty good cheeseburger.
Juicy.
Yeah, nothing fancy, but it's a good burger.
The pretzel balls are really good. It's supposed to be a beer cheese, but I don't taste a lot of beer in it. But I guess I'm a Wisconsin girl, so, you know, my beer tone is... My beer taste buds are very honed.
Heading to the theater. Back to the 90s.
I like the paneling, the basement.
Jump, jump to the river, jump.
Will love be there?
Time for some rock and roll. It's Sid Norman's Poorhouse.
Wow. Well, that is merry as well. Then I guess we're the third merriest bar on the show. John, what's
Have you
up?
been to Headliners?
No, I haven't.
Because they've got cocktails and live music.
We have the exact same thing.
Yeah, but they were good.
All right, so that was a lot of fun.
We've seen a lot, 2 really good shows.
Yeah,
we saw in the main theater, it was an ode to the 90s, which brought back a lot of fun memories. And then
at Sid Norman's, they had a classic rock band. And they are...
they were really good, and they're very interactive with the audience stuff. So.
Yeah, very, very good at that. And we're back at O'Sheehan's again to get something to eat.
Thank you.
Well, the wings are pretty good here. We got some barbecue wings with some ranch dressing. And yeah, a lot of flavor. Really good. If you're interested in checking out NCL's all-new pool at Great Stirrup Cay, check this video out. Thanks for watching and happy cruising.